If you're looking for information on the Beeble Lifetime Deal and Review, you've come to the right place. The Beeble Lifetime Deal was launched on Appsumo with a significant discount, and in this video, we'll share all the details of the deal. We'll cover what the Lifetime Deal entails, what features are included, and whether or not we think it's worth taking advantage of. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to know about the Beeble Lifetime Deal so that you can make an informed decision about whether or not it's right for you. Private secure email and encrypted cloud storage without third-party access. Beeble Lifetime Deal is an innovative solution that revolutionizes data security for businesses and individuals alike. With its cutting-edge features and robust functionality, Beeble aims to provide a game-changing solution in the world of data protection. What is Beeble Lifetime Deal? Beeble Lifetime Deal is a comprehensive data security platform that offers a lifetime subscription to its advanced features and services. It offers an array of tools and functionalities to safeguard your valuable data from unauthorized access, accidental leaks, or any other security breaches. This lifetime deal allows users to benefit from Beeble's features without the need for recurrent subscription fees, making it a cost-effective solution for long-term data security. Why is Beeble a game changer for data security? Beeble stands out as a game changer in the field of data security due to its advanced features and strong focus on user privacy. Here are a few reasons why Beeble is gaining popularity among businesses and individuals. End-to-end encryption. Beeble ensures that all data is encrypted from end to end, eliminating the risk of unauthorized access or interception. User-friendly interface. Beeble's intuitive interface makes it easy for users to navigate and manage their data security settings without any technical expertise. Data backup and recovery. Beeble offers seamless data backup and recovery options, allowing users to retrieve their crucial data in case of accidental loss or deletion. Secure file sharing. With Beeble, you can securely share files and collaborate with colleagues or clients while ensuring the confidentiality and integrity of your data. Overall, Beeble's Lifetime Deal provides an affordable and powerful solution for individuals and businesses that prioritize data security and privacy. Core features of Beeble: the secure inbox, enhanced email security for complete privacy. Beeble takes email security seriously, offering an encrypted inbox that provides complete privacy. With end-to-end encryption, your email messages are secured and can only be accessed by you and the intended recipients. This ensures that your sensitive information remains confidential and protected from unauthorized access. Password protection and message expiration, keeping your data private and secure. Beeble offers additional layers of privacy and security through password protection and message expiration. You can set a password for individual emails, ensuring that only the intended recipient can access and view the message. Additionally, you can set a self-destruct timer for your emails, ensuring that they automatically expire and are permanently deleted after a specified time period. Streamlined and user-friendly email management, a seamless email experience. Beeble provides a streamlined and user-friendly email management interface, making it easy to organize and manage your emails. With features such as customizable folders, advanced search capabilities, and email filtering, you can efficiently navigate your inbox and find what you need quickly. Beeble's intuitive design and user-friendly interface ensure a seamless and enjoyable email experience. By offering enhanced email security, password protection, message expiration, and a user-friendly interface, Beeble provides a comprehensive solution for individuals and businesses looking for a secure and efficient email experience. Protect your privacy and streamline your email management with Beeble's core features. Beyond email, the Beeble Cloud Drive. Looking for a secure and efficient way to store and access your files? Look no further than the Beeble Cloud Drive. With its cutting-edge features and user-friendly interface, Beeble offers a reliable solution for all your file storage needs. End-to-end file encryption. Safely store and access files without the risk of exposure. With Beeble, your files are protected from unauthorized access. Beeble employs end-to-end encryption, ensuring that your data remains secure from the moment you upload it to the cloud drive until you choose to access it. This means that even if there were any security breaches, your files would be unreadable and useless to anyone without the proper encryption key. Customizable viewing options. Preview files without downloading and easily navigate through your stored data. Beeble offers customizable viewing options, allowing you to preview files without the need to download them. This feature saves you time and bandwidth, as you can quickly browse through your stored data and access the specific files you need. The user-friendly interface makes it easy to organize and categorize your files, providing a seamless and efficient file management experience. Secure file sharing. Share files with clients or customers while maintaining control over access. Need to share files with clients or customers? Beeble has you covered. With its secure file sharing feature, you can easily send files to others while maintaining control over who has access to them. You can set permissions and passwords, ensuring that only authorized individuals can view or download the shared files. This gives you peace of mind knowing that your sensitive information is protected. Experience the convenience and security of the Beeble Cloud Drive today. With its advanced features, such as end-to-end file encryption, customizable viewing options, and secure file sharing, Beeble is the ultimate solution for storing and accessing your important files. Comprehensive digital privacy and security. As individuals become more aware of the importance of protecting their personal information online, the demand for comprehensive digital privacy and security tools continues to grow. One platform that has gained popularity in recent years is Beeble. With its lifetime deal offering, Beeble provides users with a complete package for digital privacy and security. The all-in-one solution, Beeble's lifetime deal offers a complete package for digital privacy. Beeble is a comprehensive platform that combines multiple tools and features to ensure users' online privacy and security. The lifetime deal includes a VPN, password manager, ad blocker, and secure cloud storage. With these integrated tools, Beeble offers a seamless experience, providing users with all the necessary tools to protect their digital presence in one package. Say goodbye to data leaks. Rest easy knowing your sensitive information is protected. Data leaks and breaches have become a common occurrence in today's digital landscape. With Beeble, users can rest easy knowing that their sensitive information is protected. The platform encrypts online traffic through its VPN service, making it virtually impossible for hackers or third parties to intercept and access user data. Additionally, Beeble's password manager ensures that users create strong, unique passwords for all their accounts, further minimizing the risk of data breaches. Beeble's lifetime deal offers a comprehensive solution for individuals looking to enhance their digital privacy and security. With its all-in-one package and focus on protecting sensitive information, Beeble has become a trusted platform for users seeking peace of mind in the digital age. Alert! Most deals are out of stock within a week of coming to Appsumo, so take it now if you need it. Why are you let? Get lifetime access to Beeble today. One-time purchase of $39 only. 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it out for 2 months to make sure it's right for you.